Okay, John, you can do this. Just buy the milk. Don't forget the milk!
Excuse me? Are you okay?
Oh, sorry. Yes, I'm fine. I talk to myself sometimes.
Really? I do that too.
You do?
Yes, I say my shopping list out loud. It helps me remember.
That's a good idea. I always forget something.
Me too. Today I said eggs, bread, juice 10 times on the bus.
People looked at you?
Yes, one man moved to another seat.
That's funny. I think it's normal, though.
I think so too. Our brains need to hear the words.
Right. Okay, I need to go. Milk, butter, apples.
Good luck.
Thanks. And what was the third one?
Apples.
Right. Apples. Thank you.
See, talking out loud works better with two people.